Cashew Chicken Curry, the three irresistible C's. A delectable cashew chicken curry, a rich and creamy dish with a cashew base that's simply compelling. Let's make this simple yet sumptuous curry together. Welcome back to Burmawala Kitchen. Start by melting 3 tablespoons of ghee in a medium heated pan. Add 1 finely chopped medium onion and fry for about 5 minutes until softened and golden. Add 1 cup of cashews, no need to be whole, and continue frying for another 5 minutes until they take on a golden hue. Toss in 2 chopped green chilies for a bit of heat and stir for another minute. Once the onions and cashews are well roasted, remove them from the pan. We'll blend these into a paste. In the same pan, fry another half cup of cashews, which we'll use as a garnish later. Transfer the roasted onions, cashews and green chilies to a small food processor. Blend until smooth, adding a 1/3 cup of cream halfway through. To make the mixture smoother, add half a cup of water and blend again. The result should be a creamy, smooth paste. In a quick step, pulverize 2 tomatoes in the food processor. Take 1 kilogram of chicken and season with 1 tablespoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of dhania jeera, half a teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri chili powder, 1 teaspoon of kasuri methi, and 1 tablespoon each of garlic and ginger paste. Mix thoroughly, no need to marinate. Back to our pan, which still has the ghee, add 3 tablespoons of oil and heat to medium. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, a small cinnamon stick, 5 green cardamom pods, and 5 small bay leaves. Fry for just a minute until they release their aromas. Add 2 chopped onions and fry until translucent, about 5 minutes. Onions take time but are crucial for a rich curry base. Now add the pulverized tomatoes and mix well. Fry until the tomatoes meld with the onions and the oil rises to the top. Introduce the spiced chicken and fry for 5 minutes until the chicken is seared well, ensuring the spices are cooked through. Once seared, pour in 1 cup of water, give a gentle stir, cover and cook on medium heat for 30 minutes. With the chicken nearly cooked, add the creamy cashew mixture, stirring gently to avoid breaking the chicken pieces. Cover and cook on low heat for another 10 minutes. For a finishing touch, prepare a quick tadka. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a small pan. Add 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri red chili powder and let it bubble. Pour this over the curry for a beautiful red hue and a hint of heat. Our cashew chicken curry is ready, looking absolutely gorgeous with vibrant colors and a delightful texture. Garnish with roasted cashews and fresh green coriander. Time to appreciate this masterpiece. Let's get those beauty shots. This curry tastes fantastic, creamy yet not overly sweet, with a well-balanced spice level. It's perfect for the whole family, even for those who typically avoid spicy foods. A great addition to your recipe book. Thank you for joining me once more. Let me know where you're watching from. Happy cooking!